Some farmers say, my pigs reach 100 kilos in 6 months. Others say, that's not true. So who is right? I've seen pigs grow fast and others grow slow. The truth is, it depends on the pig breed, the feed, and how you manage them. Let me tell you how. Not all breeds grow fast. Some breeds are born to grow quickly, others are not. Breeds like Landrace, Large White, Duroc, Hampshire, and 1070 reach 80 to 100 kilos in 6 months if you care for them well. Local pigs, the ones found in the villages, take longer. They may need 8 to 10 months to reach the same size. So before you dream of fast growth, ask yourself, what breed do I have? Feeding is the engine that helps pigs grow. You cannot expect your pigs to grow big if you feed them on kitchen waste or leftovers, because you don't get the results you want. Fast growing pigs eat balanced food that gives them energy, protein, vitamins, and minerals. Energy comes from maize or cassava. Protein comes from soybean meal or fish meal. Add vitamins and minerals like the Wonder Pig, Pig Booster to enhance their growth, and always give them clean water because pigs and water are one, and water is also part of their diet. Also feed them on time. Every day, do not skip feeding. Do not delay, so that you can get the desired results you want. Okay, don't starve your pigs. Even if you have good pigs, good feeds, poor management can stop growth. Dirty pigs cause diseases. Worms make pigs eat but not gain weight. No water means poor feed conversion. Keep your pen clean, dry, not overcrowded. Make sure air can move and your pigs are not stressed, because stress affects production. A calm, clean pig grows faster than a dirty, sick one. Some farmers push too much feed, thinking bigger is better, but that can make pigs too fat. Buyers do not like fat pigs. They want meat, not fat. So feed enough, but do not overfeed. Can pigs really reach 100 kilos in 6 months? Yes, but if only you do these 3 things right. Use the right breed, give balanced feed, keep good management. I've seen farmers reach their goal easily, others fail, even when they feed the same feed. The secret is very simple. Discipline, good care. Fast growth is not magic. It's good management every day. If you want your pigs to reach 100 kilos in 6 months, start today. Improve your feed, your housing, and your routine. Your pigs will grow faster and your profits will grow too. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.